Well, good morning. We're out and about this morning. We're out gathering up a couple four-wheelers that came from the top on a Jeep trail called 777. So we're out here in the Cherokee, and Becky's behind me in the Black Pearl, and we got Dave with us this morning from northern Utah, you said? North Ogden?
North Ogden.
So we're just working our way up in here nice and easy. We're going to see what we can do to get into where they're at and get them out of their predicament. Should be a pretty good time. Yeah, it'll be like a bowling pin. Yeah. All right, so we ended up out here last night. These folks came down this Jeep trail. It's called 777, and they got in a little bit of trouble. Just too steep for a four-wheeler when you're by yourself, so they wanted a little help. We just are going to get a strap and probably just lower them off this steeper stuff and go from there.
I think we drive them right here.
That's what I'm thinking.
And I make that turn, I'll come right off. I think we still want to put the strap right here, just be careful.
Well, the thing is we don't have any traction.
But we can bring the second one down here.
Correct.
And use it, that's what I'm saying. Put down JEF.
I saw that. I don't use high lift jacks.
I haven't in a long time, but you have to take my bacon. You have your keys, right?
Yeah, I have them in my pocket. No, I forgot his keys. I usually don't forget keys. That's like the major aspect of the job.
Left a little bit. Left a little? Yeah. Your right tire's going to go on that high point right in front of you.
See kind of where that crack is, where that footprint is on that little dusty spot?
Okay.
Let's straddle that right there, right so down through
right
there.
Right behind where he's standing?
Yep.
Just straddle that.
See that footprint right there in that dust? Put that right down the center line.
Okay, and then we're going to...
And then if we need...
down and come down that way?
Then we'll turn and go that way and all.
Don't worry about doing it at the bottom. Come up over the top. Okay.
Yeah.
You're not getting articulated. So
we'll just spot you.
As soon as I straddle that, start veering?
Just head right to the sand, straight down.
Okay.
And I would probably go a few feet, let us get our footing. And
thank you. Okay.
And if it feels like it's wanting to go, or you're dragging us a little bit, then just kind of roll down smooth and go. Just don't like pin the throttle, but just let the brake off, and because the last thing you want to do is be hopping like this going nose over.
Right.
So we'll be right here on the back. We got three of us, so. Just really
using the rear brake as much as you can.
I think it's all four when it's in four-wheel, isn't it?
Is it? I don't know.
We got you.
This one's back, so.
Yeah, we got you. Just go real easy.
Pedals all four, so. Good line?
Yep. Just go nice and easy. We got you. Yeah, we got you.
Looking perfect.
Sand, yeah? Am I good?
Yep.
Got you. Real easy. Brakes on hard, so.
Yep, you're good.
Just roll through nice and gentle.
There's gonna be a little bump.
So you can see all these trails up here. Look how they're just steep, and he just worked his way down off here and got to a spot that was too steep. So better safe than sorry on these deals. Let's see if I can. Here, I'm gonna have you just hit this.
Now we win. Yeah, you're good.
Ride that?
Yeah.
Okay. It's probably smoother.
His back.
Yeah.
That's what he thinks.
Hey, I don't know. When you get right down here, there's a couple little drop-offs. But we're going to go down the wash and just go to the fence line.
Do you want to go down the wash or come up here?
I think we want to go down the wash, but we're going to go down the wash. Good job, Maya. Nice teamwork. You going that way, or are you coming with us?
Where do you want to go?
Up this and around.
Where should I go up this at?
Right where I did.
Right here?
Yeah. No, she's good. Keep to the right a little more. That's right where I came off, so you're good. Just be ready to give it some gas. Okay.
Cheryl's freaking out. There a hole there, babe?
Just had to spot those four-wheelers off that little spot they were on, get them down over that steep stuff, and my brother-in-law Mike rode the one out, and Dave, the owner, rode the other one, so it didn't go too bad. And then of course we got to go down and air out the Cherokee and the old Black Pearl, make sure there's no cobwebs under there. So thanks for joining us for that. That was a pretty good time. Looks like we got a couple customers down on the beach we'll go take care of this morning, and thanks for jumping in there and going along for a ride with us.